Welcome back to the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. With Christmas just around the corner, we know many of you have questions about wreath making. In today's frequently asked video, we'll be answering one of the most commonly asked questions: what do I get in a traditional Christmas wreath making kit? Now, if you haven't joined us before, my name is Debbie from Triangle Nursery. And Triangle Nursery is an online wholesaler offering an extensive range of fresh seasonal flowers and foliage at wholesale prices for everyone. Now, we offer delivery in the UK all year round. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of our most popular wreath making kits available on our web shop. Now, this is the traditional wreath making kit. It's available for pre-order and delivery between October through to December. Now, the wreath making kits are available as an individual kit and as a bulk in 5s. Now, they're great for wreath making workshops and social gatherings with friends and family during the festive period. And you get something really lovely to take away with you. Now, today I'm going to be showing you the contents of this traditional wreath making kit, so let's begin. Now, the accessories you'll receive include green stub wire, mossing twine and binding wire. You'll obviously get the wreath frame. You'll also get some pine cones, some mixed dried fruits and some cinnamon sticks. And then the fresh items that you'll receive are, most importantly, your moss for creating the moss base. You'll get some blue spruce and also some mixed conifer. Now, you'll be provided with an instructional video on how to create the design from start to finish, and this information is supplied in the confirmation email you receive and in the how-to guide section on the website. Now, other information you'll need to know about the kit includes: it's important to hydrate the fresh products, so when you receive them, using your own secateurs, cut the bottoms of the foliage and pop them into shallow water, into a nice clean bucket of fresh water. Store them in a low lit environment that's frost free, especially during the winter months, and do this prior to use. The moss can be stored in the bags. Just add some water just to keep it hydrated, and again avoiding any frost or snowy conditions that potentially we might get. Now, to further personalise your wreaths, you can add additional products into your basket. We quite literally have hundreds of different decorations on our website for you to choose from. So really, the only limitation is your imagination. It's worth to note that the individual kits are delivered in these wreath making boxes. However, the packs of 5 kits are not delivered in the boxes, simply because they're classed as bulk, so to speak. You can find the links for the mentioned products in the description below. Well, that's it for today's frequently asked question. We hope this video has helped explain the contents of our popular wreath making kit. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or indeed contact us directly. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Triangle Nursery Flower channel. Over the course of the next couple of months, we'll be sharing lots of useful information about our products, wreath making and other seasonal floral designs to inspire you this season.